plan they say MPP for they did say state mampeni I will say yes state of emergency because when him say mampeni yes state of emergency near stop will be as a movie and mining for no 2028 or metro aba MPP on bubefu enti ade no mo ye na yes say bia yes say ye pese bo mine no yenso ayaza
enti afine that time na ban you opposition no ka say on declare state of emergency na
why the
our friend is saying Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa can be.
Boname.
Obi mpe me pacho mu wasa me pacho wadaro. They declare state of emergency.
That time na wo ka so mo kan no.
No, some na ma me bisa say. It's no more intention no say small scale miners no so bebefu no ma to atia ana.
Time no mo kan no na Galamsey no. Na Galamsey na no den chain yakoso nde John Mahama wa ya pa in terms of Galamsey. John Mahama is the only president Galamsey in some course so wetumi afa onu ankasa ni members of your friend saying members of the party say yanko investigate omo NPP for ye bi ye wie ne be clearing agent she say ye train na John Mahama or say nipa mienu obi ye ne national organizer or say yanko investigate omo ade omo ye no
to invest after the investigation
a report in my eba ye behu ne awom
say report in bana say ka say omunye hwe no so ye beka
say ye behwehwem say omunye hwe na so omunye hwe a ne akata John Mahama say ne yes because yes ye sabe ye adwumi for sabe enti ye behwem ahwe say asem na John Mahama ka say omunye hwe no eye no kure ana enya no kure ne akata John say John ni akufo do ye bi na wo ye nkan
na na do de na ye no kure no obeka say enya no kure
na mu nyina ho na party for ko ka kire minister say party hieska mu nyina ho na ye say ayi papa regional chairman we declare forest president forest like forest we are president there it means that akufo was benefiting from Galamsey. If that is true,
and they say
Abujinapo, Echo can say, a conta mining, SF for a pressure mo party for a man, no Abujinapo, no more the to the minister. No, they went after him, but the minister knew that more say assassin. The minister wanted to stop it. They did not support it, and this guy was in this country destroying our forests with impunity. What I say, John Mahama is not interested in Yomoyeno. He's not interested in that mining. No, ni hu nipa bie ni hu a wobetumi akoto hu akohim akoye Galamsey, and I am on the majority side. Obi Asamba kekese member of MP wakoka say wakofre emso mo anti Galamsey for no penifo ni bi as oko make statement bi a omo assume say opeso o protect nipa no, and as me see platform no so no adia MPs ni ye o platforms no what you nyina ye MPs nti uno colleague kasa at least but yeah, the kind of kasa na course or platform no so no e ma me hope say the MPs are supporting the president to fight Galamsey and your party here ska nti yen say as no and your party here ska and John Mahama is doing very well in terms of Galamsey. He will not declare state of emergency and your NPP for the better how to stop Galamsey 8 years and your NPP for the better how to stop Galamsey in Ghana.
But CSOs ni binim so show my dream efa ho can say no so bitimi aboa recently ya Dr. Brian Champon can say and can stop it mining no yes be a state of emergency but for 90 days said the one bitimi de restructure and near mine no so bitimi
stop it mining and I say you stop illegal mining.
You stop because now no obi be catch us me a small scale miner. Make it a license. Make kai so pass one MP better na can say one more small scale miners ni na enkita mining license but a prospecting license ni kita which and also a ma wo kwan says to former good year.
I was say obi
afra and
the president and they say no crest idea many president and Camina's commission boss no in Kame unity.
Oh but me and me
the budget say no cry because why must it be like that? I didn't think I was say yes sir. Then I may patch say if it is true like that I will say obia like the whole minerals because you cannot mine illegally. Who is allowing them to mine illegally? Nobody will stop mining for one day. for 2 days. Mining will go on in this country. Yankopon the gold chair. Akufo-Addo original way ka say you no na you started to gold Ghana yende. You be too gold. So mining is going to go on in Ghana. Owa mining wo ensuo mu. Aban se saade no e illegal. I was say DC e kwachi se obi mining wo ensuo ma say DC na di.
As area na ye.
Of course, now we DC not so na nkofo too gold wo ensuo mu a wo si wan hu.
Na so mo wi omo ho na ekọ.
Enti no ye chinkofo na I was say wo DC na you we the straight. Because we do money so we hwese nkofo wi omo ho nko. Sa na edibu man. Edu ba bia e wo say ye hyeda nipa bi wo ho asebe ansa na England be England wo nipa a omo ewu. First ni edi nipa de uti hya adem ni eka. Yes, and kane no. And then yes but no be ko jail. Ya dem ran na ye adwuma. You cannot be a DC and people will be mining in your constituency or your district and you say you don't know. John Mahama own to me so ya na jun chin Ghana as or be a miner. It will never happen. And we are not going to stop mining in Ghana. Listen to this. Mining will go on. Ghana you be too good. Your form good. But the institutions, police, yes, one say ko stop Galamsey amen ko jeje nkofo sika. NDC ni penny bi. Ma report na mama penny. Mampeni twan me pesa me nya evidence we e de ka ho.
Na wonya evidence na wo report.
Ai because pesa your friend no na e di kan ka kire na ansa na e bia ba ta me nya evidence no wa say nyoma bebre. NDC ni penny bi. Osori anu afa ha no akwaji we site. No afa ha no akwaji we asase akwaji madam for ato. Madam for ato ni all blacks ya na dia no. Ti nipa na me ka no nim no. Ni all blacks team no so do all blacks ya na dia no akwaji na site wo ho ba bi. Nti wo na me ka asem wo nim ho. Na nsen so ayi me friend madam for me kan say onwon no. Sa nipa no wo hyem na wo yebia yen ye beyi wo firim. Na NDC ya ban bia so obi ye bibi na enye na sa wo kan the party for no they don't come against you to say NPP ade na ye wo catch them say na be bo mo na party for no nyina they come after you because ya ban ya power. NDC is not like that. Okay. We are not going to of course we are not going to declare a state of emergency. Obianya very clear. To me if NPP mu na ochina na opeya on be ye wo ho say yen ye pese ye stop it and na identity and that 3 days of you abemi ye kan no mudin atem. We are going to mine in Ghana, gold mining.